Has bus 47 come yet?
No, I think it's late today.
Do you ride this bus every day?
Yeah, do you?
Not every day, only a couple of times a week.
Well, I think the bus is late today because of the rain.
Oh, does the weather make a difference?
Yes, the bus is usually several minutes late when it rains.
Because of bad traffic?
Yeah, and probably because of car accidents.
That makes sense. I must have picked the wrong day to ride the bus.
Actually, I think riding the bus on rainy days is better.
Why?
Then you don't have to drive in bad traffic. Someone is driving for you.
You are totally right. I'm going to check the weather from now on. I'm going to take the bus when it rains.
Then I will see you here at the bus stop.
Great. It was nice talking with you.
Yes, it was. I think our bus is coming now.